Thank you very much, Madam Chair. I wish to draw the attention of the Honourable Minister of Health and Family Welfare to the plight of accredited social health activists, or ASHA workers, who are the unsung heroes of India's healthcare system. ASHA workers have played an instrumental role in improving maternal and child health, increasing immunization rates, and raising awareness about nutrition and sanitation. Their contributions are especially crucial during the COVID-19 pandemic, when they played a frontline role in the healthcare response. They rushed to a mother in labour at midnight. They walked miles to deliver medicines to the elderly. Despite being overburdened with responsibilities and working 12 to 14 hours a day, Madam Chair, ASHA workers are still classified as volunteers, and they receive meagre honorariums and incentives, which are often delayed, leaving them and their families struggling financially. In Kerala, for instance, ASHA workers only earn 7,000 rupees a month, and the government hasn't paid them for months. ASHA workers have staged nationwide protests over the years, demanding official employee status, payment of arrears, better working conditions, retirement benefits, and access to mental and social security services. For these works, they have protested in my constituency in front of the Secretariat. Their ongoing protests highlight the systemic undervaluation of community health workers in India, and in particular in Kerala. Is it because they are women, Madam Chair, that their labour is taken for granted and not valued? I therefore urge the Minister to take immediate action in coordination with state governments to address the concerns of ASHA workers. This includes increasing their monthly incentives and honorariums, clearing all pending dues, and officially recognising them as formal healthcare workers. Additionally, a social security and retirement benefits framework must be devised for long-serving ASHA workers. As parliamentarians who believe in fairness, justice and dignity for those of us who serve every single day, we must extend not just our sympathy but state support to them. Thank you, Madam Chair.